It's April 16th, afternoon session, Tuesday. Fed Powell speaks at 1:15. He spoke already, so right now it's 2:15. Why is this? Let's refresh this. See? He spoke already. So let's see what's going on here. Trade, right, break even. All right, knowns and unknowns. So we're looking for. Came and take out the afternoon or morning session lows here. So sell side. Some highs up here. Relative highs up here. I'll just mark these as buy side. But we can just take this from up here. Put that there. We do have a change state delivery after coming for those afternoon session lows here. So stand this up. Have kind of a confluence of 1.5. So we went up to 1 and came down. Ultimately, we're sideways, have sideways action. Got this fair value gap in premium. Midnight open, New York open. So we look at this AM session lunch. No, afternoon lunch below in a discount. And on the higher time frame, we're in a discount too. In that 4-hour fair value gap. Here we have this box. Buyers respecting it. 1 minute change state delivery here. To 2.5 matches up here. If we can get there, we could look for a short position. Um, Short position. Get one from up here, come down to these lows, or even midnight open. Wouldn't be too bad. 100-point move. Actually want to range. Even coming back down now to trade entry. 2.5 here. 50-point move, not bad. So we'll just wait here. It's moving up. It's in premium. Quad. So we can look for a change state delivery when we get up here. So I got the 5 minute change state delivery right here. Let's mark this out. Looks like we have fair value gap coming in here. Potential. Nope. So one can see this says stage 1. Right, this consolidation here. Well, let's mark that out, keep that there. 15. Again, this sideways action. No 5 candle runs. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have a quarterly shift here. Q1 into Q2. Sometimes I can see this, sometimes I don't. So let's go with 4. Happy medium. Gotta get that quarterly shift. Boom. So for Pink Panther, we want to take out these highs up here, or these highs up here. Come back down like we did yesterday, and run back up. Stage 2. Something like a mini rebalance. Come up higher. So we can go down to 15 second. And We have accumulation. So we can see this as stage one, stage two. Take the last order block here. G2.5 is right here. I like to just go up a little bit higher. And then we're gonna want to see a 1 minute change of state delivery. Here we have a 5 minute bearish order block. So we're gonna push right through that. Fair value gap here. This might not be it. Look at this one. All right, so we just took these sides out here. 2.5. Let's see if we get a reversal. We may or may not. Totally fine if we don't. We have this high here. Q2 high is here. Let's mark this out. Change that to the 5. Change this to the 1. And we have a fair value gap here on the 1. So looks like we have a pretty aggressive run up. Any SMTs? We don't have any significant draw on liquidity, so yeah, it looks like we're coming out for these highs up here. Yep, right here. Let's go back here. All right, so we took that out. We can take this here. You can see this is our manipulation link down here. To 2.5 reversal. We get a draw here. Here's our hourly. Stage 1. Coming up on stage 2. LT is way up here. So we do have our Q2. This could be Q2 manipulation. I don't know. We'll see. To 2.5 of this manipulation leg. 1, -1 where we see our first retracement. We haven't gotten that yet. We want to see like a manipulation leg. Or not manipulation leg, but a inverse fair value gap. This is way too large for 2.5. Yep, so can't say that's it. Could go up to 4. And a premium a bit too high for me. So I'll go try to entry here. LT. Fib. It's way down here. Alright, I need to do a quick little breathing check. So I'm gonna be doing uh alternate nostril breathing because I feel a little nerves coming on. So we want to see a woman that changes their delivery. These match up perfectly. Boom and boom. We want to see a change their delivery. Which could be this one here. Or not change their delivery, but market structure shift. Here we go. 40 seconds left. Let's wait for optical trade entry. Right here on the 15. So let's come up. Took these equal highs out here. If we were to get in here, this is a 17-point move. Nope. All right, so if we think that that's it, let's look at this here. So we have our first retracement. If I go on here, we may get a retracement up higher. And then we also have optical trade entry for this here. So coming into Q3, this is gone. 5-minute changes to deliveries down here. This here, run out to 2.5. Gotta take those next time. All right, I'll go. You sure you want to go? You sure you want to go? 15. This is our terminus for this manipulation link here. Stage 1. So it's out here. Let's go back to the 1. This is our accumulation. This is a 5-minute change to delivery. At our terminus, let's go back to the 15. See if we get like a fair value gap coming up out of this. Nice how we came out to -1 right here. Retracement. Didn't catch that. Maybe next time. Look at all these inverses that we got. Next strong liquidity would have to be down here. Change day delivery on the 15. Can we get one on the 1? Could this be our manipulation leg into Q4 or to stage 4? Terminus. We need to see a 50-second change day delivery. So like closing up this black candle here. No 5 minute, no 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go to 4 standard deviation of this manipulation leg up here. Let's see if we can get our change day delivery here. And our from here to here, this optical chart entry right here. Look how 4 matches up. If we take this, we get out here. Let's just wait till we get like a change day delivery. Sells out, sell side. 1 minute here. Fair value gap on the 1. I like how we have this fair value gap. Let's see if we can inverse it. 4 seconds left for this candle here. This could be our manipulation on the 1. Boom, hit the low of this fair value gap. Let's see what's up. Damn, we seriously going for sell side here? We have a constant encroachment here. 15. Bunch of wicks. This is inverse on the 15. I'll take this. X. Try this again. It's not giving me my trailing. So you don't want that. Bastards. Potential fair value gap on the 1 minute forming right here. I want to move my stop loss up. Damn it. I'm out there. Total profit. What? 51. How's that 51? I know it's down 300. whatever. We could look for reentry. Here we have this fair value gap. We run up its optical trend entry of the parent price leg. So looks like we're gonna inverse this. Maybe come for these lows down here. I'll take a short. So we can come down. All right, 17. I want to get like 500 more bucks. Right up here, almost took out the sell side up here, matching up with the optical trend entry. That's another thing we gotta look for. I know I have a very good conviction that we're gonna come for these lows on here, but we're pretty deep in the discount. And I did not see this swing high right here. So this is gonna be note to self for a swing. And I forgot to do this here. The last one, 22.5 is right here. Look where we go to. And then we take out sell side here. So we can do the same here. 22.5 matches up identical with this. This is one. So if we were to enter in here, it's a 25.1. This is a bit too fast for me. Um, so not gonna take it. Looking at the one here. This is the inverse. May run back up into this balance price range. And here, midnight opens holding. See if this fair value gap can hold. And if it does, at what point do you enter in? 22.5 matches up. So on the one, just waiting for a so this fair value gap wants to hold. I got a lot of stuff on my chart right now. Let me see if I can remove some of this stuff. But I like how we measure this order block here on the 1, 2.5, 2.5. Boom, now it's perfect. We can get rid of that now. We can get rid of this one too. And then we had our optical trend entry. to the lower time frame. So that was perfect. Good job there. Learning P&L. Went up. Um, Here we have our optical trend entry. Down here, run up, boom, hit that. Nicely done. Took the small retracement, or waited for reversal. Got it, boom. Got my points. Up like 2,000, but that trailing stop loss is, well, you are up five. You are taking five contracts, so keep that in mind. So that's why it went down so quickly. That's why you take some off as you go up. Okay, so stage one, here's our stage two. On the one, two, three, four counter run into 2.5. Also taking out this drawn liquidity from up here. And then we have our market structure shift here. We did not get a return, unfortunately. That's what that was what I was looking for. I was looking for that. And then I don't know why we decided to take this one, but we got to remember this is stage two. We shouldn't be taking OTs for stage two. Here we have buy side liquidity that was taken. You can get rid of this. See right there. That was a target. Get rid of that. Here we have 4 standard deviations. Boom. Terminus and discount. Right. Optical trade entry. So here we have this fair value gap here that's forming. I want to answer on this, but we're going back up to OT. We'll just have to come back to these after the day is over and just, reconnect on this. So here's 2.5 here, -3, like how that's respected. Come up optical trade entry, taking that to side here. So that was good. Same with this. This was lining up nicely. So let's look at this one here, since this was technically the last one. This one's a little bit larger. See 2.5 here. So we have a optical trade entry again, fair value gap. If we were to answer on this, it'll be for a long, since we're in discount, and it'll be for a couple of points, maybe like 300 bucks. So, come down here. But the question is like, what do you see that inverse? New York AM session. I don't see any market maker models. This was a inverse or change state delivery. Here we have 5-minute change state delivery. And we're almost at equilibrium of that price leg. And the reason why I'm like looking to take this is because it was moving really quickly. Is this in fact the end of it? I mean, let's take a look here. Might want to move a little bit higher. Can we get a aggressive move up, impulsive move up? We can, but the other thing we want to look for is like a fair value gap to form. Like coming down here to take it for a short. And one can argue if we don't see that, then we can go in for a long. But our safe long entries is according to our plan, our setup, and that's not being reflected right now. This here is a market structure shift here. We run up, take that out, and we can measure this here. So that's terminus. I believe this is terminus. Now we should be expecting a run down into optical trend entry. Whoops. So down here in this fair value gap. Also, this is a inverse. So here we have a fair value gap here. Change that delivery. It's on the 15 now. So that's expected. That's what we want to see. Come down to this equilibrium. Optical trade entry. It's also in the New York Open. All right, 1 minute candle next. Look how respected 50% of that. Let's see if we can get like a fair value gap. If we do, I think we will blast off a little bit higher. We could go to optical trade entry of this here. Boom. This was inversed. See if this can hold. To 2.5. Perfect. So the same for this here. A little bit higher. I do believe we can move up a little bit higher. Maybe come down to this fair value gap down here. We just inverse this here. This New York Open is New York Lunch is holding. This goes against us. Where to get out at? Is this really worth 300 points? 30 seconds. And again, like we had a way better opportunity, better conditions, and we didn't take it. Boom, as I suspected. Let's look at this here. Two. This was displacement. Now we're just accumulating. This is a potential change state delivery. Let's measure this here. 2.5 is down here in discount. Fair value gap holding. This is the change state delivery right here on the one. Down here looks nice. Looks nice. But where's our manipulation leg? Really not the most attractive. Here's our -4 standard deviation. So we just need like 3 points. And I know if I like don't get those 3 points, then I'll be chasing to correct those 3 points. And chasing 3 points could turn into chasing 10 points. Like this is a solid play right here. You can measure this here. Look where you are. Boom. These are our plays. We didn't catch it. Now we're in premium. So if you want, This is a fair value gap. We may be going back down to, so now where were we at on the higher time frame? Just consolidating. So this here, we just need 300 bucks to get to 52. And then at 52, we have tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, 3 days to make. How much would it be? Like 2,500 bucks. Basically $7,000. And as you can see here, we had a huge play, which we were stalking from up here down to here. This is over a 100-point move. I do believe we're going to continue on moving up higher. But again, here's our optical trade entry right here. We didn't take it. Me just clicking the button right here will just be completely rash and ill-advised. So that is what I'm trying to be better at. Like how we come up from here to here. Boom. Call that fair value gap was holding. And then from here to here, it's optical trade entry. So get rid of this, keep this, this. So perhaps tomorrow, we'll just be more convinced and take that trade. But so far so good for today. Here we have a fair value gap right here holding. Boom, take it. Right here, look at this. This is optical trade entry. Boom. Oh no. Deep, 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 deep discount. Took these sides out here. Fair value gap up here. Took these sides up here. Bearish short block. Hit that to the T. This could be just accumulation. Right now I got that feeling like, man, I want to press a button, I want to press a button, I want to press a button. Look how we just come up, boom. See what this fair value gap wants. Man, I want to press the button. So let's say you're at $2,000 right now. You need 2,500 tomorrow, 2,500 next day, and then 2,500 the next day. I want to like reduce the amount that I will need for the previous days. In doing that, you can just walk away, take what you have now, just walk away. Low, high, lower, low. Fair value gap here. Run up, boom. Bearish short block. Propulsion block maybe. Come right back down to this fair value gap. So I'm just gonna be mature and just do this. And then just come back here. And we're just practicing good habits. Take this call here since we came down to this fair value gap. It's practicing good habits and not trying to extend the amount of pressure that we will have tomorrow. We're actually reducing the amount of pressure that we have for tomorrow. So just hypothetically speaking, we're at 2,000. Here's your 2,000. Now, why isn't this available on it was available yesterday. Wait, oh, let's see something here. Let's see if this. Now, in order for that to pop up, you need to take a position. You plan on taking a position? Bull short black right here. Fair value gap on the 5. Almost came up to it to balance that out. Inverse. Outlook trade entry. Um, I'll take it. She doesn't show up. Holy shit, that's too much. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Fuck. I'm out. Damn it. I made too much money. Oh, I made a perfect amount. 43, 46. We're almost at halfway there. I'm out. Glad I got out there. It's quick to get out. Why? I'll show you. I didn't say it out loud, but you know what I was thinking. I'll put right entry. Boom. 15-second. 25-point move. Now I will admit 1, 2, 3, 4. I shouldn't have gotten there. I fell into that mode again. But I'm glad I got out. I was just looking at the candles. But I'm glad I got out. Um, Anyways, we'll review this trade in afternoon. As you can see, we're just pounding up higher. Just going back to the 5, put this on the 15, and let's. Here we go. What are we at here? Wow. 36, 35. All right, I'm out. Yeah, I did over leverage, but I'll admit I knew what I was doing. I didn't mention it though. Um, Anyways, I'm done for the day. Peace.